Welcome. Today we're delving into Twilio, a cloud communications platform that allows developers to build, scale, and maintain communications within software applications. Twilio's services are accessed over HTTP and are billed based on usage. Twilio's stock, TWLO, is publicly traded and has seen significant growth since its initial public offering in 2016. It's a part of the tech industry's software sector, focusing on software as a service. Twilio provides APIs for voice, messaging, and video communications, enabling businesses to reach their customers on any channel. It's scalable and flexible, allowing developers to build solutions tailored to their needs. With Twilio's programmable SMS, businesses can send and receive text messages globally. Twilio's voice API allows for the creation of voice applications, and their video API enables real-time, high-quality video communications. Twilio also offers email services through SendGrid. Twilio operates on a pay-as-you-go pricing model, meaning you only pay for what you use. This model allows businesses of all sizes to access Twilio's services. Pricing varies depending on the service used. For instance, programmable SMS costs start from $0.0075 per message sent or received. Voice services start from $0.85 per minute. Twilio also offers volume and committed use discounts, making it a cost-effective solution for larger businesses. Twilio is ideal for businesses seeking to enhance customer engagement through various channels. It's perfect for creating personalized, omnichannel customer experiences. Companies can use Twilio's APIs to build chatbots, automated surveys, and notification systems. It's also great for remote work solutions, enabling video conferencing and secure file sharing. With Twilio, businesses can streamline communications, improve customer service, and increase operational efficiency. The primary advantage of Twilio is its flexibility. Its APIs allow businesses to create custom communication solutions that fit their specific needs. Twilio also provides global reach with local presence, supporting communications in over 100 countries. Its pay-as-you-go pricing model makes it accessible to businesses of all sizes. Moreover, Twilio's robust documentation and active developer community make it easier to get started and troubleshoot issues. Despite its benefits, Twilio has some limitations. Its services require technical expertise to set up and manage, which may pose a challenge for non-technical users. The cost can also add up quickly for high-volume users, despite the pay-as-you-go model. While Twilio provides global services, there may be restrictions or limitations in certain countries. Lastly, some users have reported occasional delays in message delivery. Twilio offers powerful, customizable communication solutions, making it a strong choice for businesses looking to enhance customer engagement. Its scalable services cater to businesses of all sizes. However, it requires technical know-how and can be costly for heavy users. Overall, Twilio's strengths outweigh its limitations, making it a promising investment for those looking to diversify their portfolio in the tech sector. Thank you for watching our analysis of Twilio and its stock, TWLO. We hope it provided valuable insights. If you found this analysis helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more stock analysis videos. Your support helps us continue providing high-quality financial content. Thank you and see you in the next video.